Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be reviewing tips for replacing the battery in the key fob for a 2025 Jeep Compass. So let's get to it. We have a spring-loaded mechanism right here. We need to pull it back and remove the key. Okay, set that off to the side. Now, we have access to the inside, and there's a little spot right here that I like to use. You could stick your screwdriver right here, push it in and turn. And then you want to kind of grip it as it's trying to open. And there you go. Carefully open up the clamshell. And there you have it. You have your two halves. Now you can take your screwdriver, stick it right here, very carefully, twist, and out comes the battery. This is a CR2032 battery. Okay? So let's go ahead and put it back together. Your battery, and you're going to slide in towards that little half circle, okay? See how it's kind of tilted? And you just hold it, press it in place. There you go. Okay? You notice there's a little bit of oil there. That's all the oil you need. That's the oil that makes contact right there, okay? Grab both halves of the clamshell. Put it in place, take a good look at it all the way around, and then begin to squeeze. There you go. Okay. Go ahead, test it. Reinsert the key, and we're done. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, drive defensively.